so soft and low, a melody only she would know. Headphones tight, her world aglow. Humming in the rain, humming through the quiet. The drops fall slow, the world's on a diet of sound, a rush of everything loud. Humming in the rain, she's lost in her cloud. Books are stacked, her pen takes flight. Coffee, steam, dances in the evening light. Outside the glass, the rain whispers tonight. Plants lean close to hear her song. The rhythm of her hum, it lingers long. Each drop a note, the rain sings along. Lost in her cloud.